Where does my ward's career begin?
Where does it end?
Where do they go from here?
Global?
National?
Of course, we aspire.
We dream.
We see challenges.
We see success. LTIT is the word that makes me nostalgic. The 4 years of my life which I spent with LTIT were full of experience, knowledge and learnings. I would like to take this opportunity to thank LTIT for giving me knowledge and the success too.
We host a rank of experienced professional in LTIT. There is a staff available all the time that helps the students in their difficulties. I will say that LTIT is one of the treasure of Larsen & Toubro.
LTIT, I would say, is an institute which laid the foundation stone for this whole career. Now with 5 years of IT experience, I can say that the foundation has been solid. And not only solid, the values that it has put in, the efforts of the teachers have shown the results.
Larsen & Toubro Institute of Technology is perhaps one of the most unique institutions leveraged by the CSR philosophies of an iconic organization in India. Larsen & Toubro LT Institute of Technology is a fully equipped engineering institute developed to groom and guide young minds to become bright innovators of the future.
In the last 27 years, over 3,000 children of L&T employees have been given their dream career. Our students have gone into the industries and have occupied very senior positions in India and abroad. If your children are studying in 10th standard and you are worried about their future, I would strongly recommend you considering L&T Institute, where you can be sure of a dream career for your children.
Established in 1983, LTIT is situated in the eastern part of Powai campus, away from the noise and pollution of the city. The institute offers industry-integrated diploma courses in computer, electronics and telecommunication, and mechanical engineering, approved by the Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education and AICTE, and is recognized by Directorate of Technical Education, Maharashtra. It is also ISO 9001-2008 compliant.
This institute is a true example of industry-institute interaction. Because this institute is run by Larsen & Toubro, so we are part of industry. So our students get a very good exposure to the industry and academics. So this is a true example of industry-institute interaction. Course which are run by us are a 4-year course. It's called Industry Integration course. And as soon as the student enter into the institute, so we provide them whatever required by industry, additional courses required by industry like in embedded system design or in CAD design or in software testing. Every year our faculties are getting trained. At the same time, this faculty also get an exposure in industry. So whatever knowledge they acquire, they deliver it to students.
Equipped with comfortable and airy classrooms and state-of-the-art facilities, LTIT tries to make the process of learning an experience to cherish.
We believe in going beyond the classroom teaching. We help the students, we identify them at their time of admission by their talents, capabilities and potential. We spare no effort to bring out the best of them. Each class in LTIT has a designated mentor. We identify the students, arrange extra classes for them and try to bring out the potential.
The Institute's laboratories are equipped with finest equipment and latest technology. It stresses on a continuous improvement of the lab facilities in order to provide its students the best education. The workshop of the institution, spread over 1,100 square meters, is equipped with extensive facilities and systems for machining, fabrication, fitting, welding, etc. A spacious library of around 400 square meters area with a collection of over 6,500 books, national and international journals and periodicals, instructional audiovisual cassettes and CD-ROMs is the pride of LTIT.
Institute has an excellent infrastructure. Apart from academic excellence, we believe in holistic development of our students.
LTIT also boasts of a spacious air-conditioned and neatly furnished conference room. Apart from an audiovisual room equipped with the latest facilities for conducting seminars, guest lectures, pre-placement presentations, etc.
Though our admissions are restricted to the children of L&T employees only,
We get the students right from Delhi, Muzaffarpur, Chennai, Bangalore and Kansbal in Orissa. When they come here in the first year, we facilitate the accommodation and we take care of the students by appointing caretakers separately for boys and girls.
LTIT's special program for the prospective students helps improve competencies and enhances their communication skills and numerical abilities. It also improves their level of general awareness. At LTIT, students find an exemplary balance between academic work and co-curricular activities. Workshops and periodical industrial visits ensure that the students get an idea of the world outside and give them a chance to look out of their textbooks. Students are encouraged to attend and make presentations in the seminars.
The students whom I have recruited from the L&T Institute of Technology seem to not only have knowledge about the area of work in which I recruit them, but they seem to demonstrate a phenomenal amount of passion and commitment to the job. I don't know what the institute does to imbibe that kind of sincerity and passion into the students, but they seem to be having even that in addition to the subjects that they've learnt at the institute.
At LTIT, life is a blend of knowledge, fun and exploration. Cultural events and various dance and musical competitions help students explore their artistic sides.
Various activities to improve the results of the students and support them in the educational activity are done by our institute, in addition to the regular academic activities.
Apart from teaching, I am also working as a coordinator for Student Forum. The Student Forum has got different committees. We organize a lot of activities throughout the years, like Ganesh Puja, Dashera, Dandiya, and so on.
There is a lot of emphasis on sports at LTIT. The campus has a basketball court for the students and also a ground where they can play other outdoor sports like football and cricket. As an academic organization, LTIT can be compared with the best, but as an institution dedicated to overall development of a student, it is simply incomparable.
LTIT is located in an industrial environment, so he picks up an industrial culture very fast. Secondly, L&T has certain core values. I expect my son to imbibe in himself those core values of the organization.
And my daughter Nitya Iyer cleared from this institute. When she passed out her SSC, she came out with a percentage of 55%. I asked her preferred colleges. She suggested Chandibai, Birla colleges, so many other good colleges. While I didn't receive any response from any of the colleges because her name never appeared in the merit list, one day she suggested that why not I join diploma. Without waste of time, I came to the office of LTIT and obtained an admission form, and she got into electronics. The first semester result came, she secured around 62%, and it went on to increasing, and in the 8th semester she secured a remarkable 89.7%. And whatever she is today, I am grateful to the institute, the faculty, the principal and the entire team of professors who have been constantly helping them.
LTIT believes that every student has the potential to make a name in this world, and it holds the hands of anyone who is curious enough to tap his or her potential. For as they say, if you want something with enough passion, nothing can stop you from getting it. Of course, LTIT aims to instill only one culture in all students, past, present or future, and that's
excellence!